came for the Mythic Voyage because I felt like I needed a change because I wasn't making any positive changes or choices that I needed in my life. It changed my life in a huge way. I was dealing with a split personality and I didn't realize it until the workshop, and it made me realize that I can control myself and not make my split personality take over. It really changed how I can feel that I can be myself again. It helped me in so many other ways, and I learned so much and experienced so much that it just like overtook me and basically just like washed me over with my new self. It was intense most of the times, but then it kind of like breaks you down but brings you back up. So it's like a roller coaster. It's a roller coaster of emotions and realization, and it makes you feel more powerful in the end. It was really hard for me in the beginning, but know that things will get easier during time and that you will be loved by everyone around you, and it will just envelop in front of you and be like, damn, I really took this step forward and now I can see everything without a paradox in my face. So how the workshop works is that basically do an introduction day, get to know you and stuff like that, you know, meeting new people, saying hello. It was really hard for me because I was a little shy. I was just like, I don't know you, but I'll get to know you in the meanwhile, try and warm up. Get to meet the big bald Greek. He's really outgoing and everything, and when we're in the airport, it's just like Zoom. You already launched into the workshop. Usually he makes you do like a bunch of questions at the first day, and he's like, I'll prove to you right now that I'll get all these questions done in these 12 days. And everyone's just like, what? Can you really? And then day by day he's working in the questions and making us learn new things, and time by time it makes you feel right with yourself, and it's something that a 5-year-old can understand. And at the end of the day, it's just like, bam, you hit all the questions, and it feels good, and it feels really knowledgeable that all this happened. It's really exciting. It feels good to go home and be able to make new choices and make new ideas and do all these inspiration things that you wanted to do in the outside world now. Take the leap of faith. It will really change your life. It will really express how you feel. It's breathtaking how this can happen. It's really like, trust your heart and know that it's gonna be a wild ride, but it'll be worth it. I know that if I keep fighting for it, I know that it will stay in my heart.